healthy do you think you are? What if you didn't have to guess? Meet FitTrack. It detects fat mass, muscle mass, hydration, and 14 other important health insights. FDA approved and tested against the gold standard with 120,000 customers in 12 countries. FitTrack is top rated with 4.9 stars on over thousands of reviews. Gain daily insights on multiple areas of your health. With 17 different health indicators, you'll know precisely how healthy you are. Click here to learn more about FitTrack today.
This little thumb drive has an entire operating system on it, meaning it's going to run your whole computer off the thumb drive instead of using the old slow operating system that is on your computer. It's going to bypass it. This is a worst case scenario. This has a crashed hard drive. So this is beyond slow. This one actually can't boot up at all because the hard drive is completely crashed. Now watch what happens here. I'm going to go down here and I am going to shut this laptop off. And then I'm going to take the little extra extra PC and I'm going to put out the little USB. I'm going to plug it in right there. And now we're going to come back again and I'm going to hit that power up button. And now watch what happens. This laptop that couldn't even run a minute ago is going to come to life. And it's going to come to life because of Extra PC. It's running the entire operating system, the whole laptop, right off the little USB from
Wow, look
Extra
how
PC.
fast that was. I mean, that was literally seconds and so easy to use.
So not minutes of waiting trying to get your laptop to boot up. Now it's like 20, 30 seconds and bam, there's that desktop. Exactly what you need, there it is, to run your entire computer. You want an office suite? It's on there. You want to do your email? It's on there. You need a browser to browse the internet? It's on there. Everything is there. So you can take the slowest computer and you can bring it back to life and do it with Extra PC and a Linux operating.
Maker Catherine Krug wants everyone to have a better back anywhere they go. She created a posture trainer and lumbar support that helps you sit up correctly so you can feel better. Better Back's aim is to stabilize your pelvis and restore your spine's natural alignment with as little as 15 minutes a day. This lightweight and portable device turns any seat into an ergonomic one by providing the support you need to sit up straight, even on a stool or a bench. It's great for travel too. Tension from the straps helps correct your posture and can relieve pressure from improper spinal alignment, also known as slouching. Cushions keep things comfortable while you're wearing the device. Catherine tried just about everything to treat her sciatic pain. She finally realized she needed to focus on proper alignment, not temporary pain relief, to make her back feel consistently better. When friends kept borrowing her early prototype of Better Back, Catherine knew many people would appreciate the soft support that could lead to better posture and a better feeling back.
Now there's a simple, intelligent way to test your vision and track the results from the convenience of your own home. Introducing the IQ Personal Vision Tracker, a low-cost optical device and mobile application that accurately measures your vision and delivers vision correction records that can be used to order new eyewear. To get started, press the Test button at the bottom of the screen and attach the IQ Miniscope to your smartphone. Place the IQ Miniscope over your eye so that you can see the red and green lines. Then tap the on-screen plus or minus buttons until the lines completely overlap. Once you've completed tests on both eyes, IQ's powerful patented technology will process the readings and generate your eyeglass numbers. With IQ, you can track your vision history through your personal dashboard to view and compare all of your eyeglass numbers, and use the latest test results to order new glasses online.
We're bringing a do-it-yourself kit to the consumers, and we're allowing them to track their vision over time, which is kind of a new idea.
Doctors say the technology is not only accurate, but affordable, making IQ a true game changer.
In the United States alone, over the last 30 years, the incidence of myopia has doubled. About 1 in 4 individuals over the age of 40 have nearsightedness. So that is definitely an epidemic.
Over 2/3 of the U.S. population is in need or needs some type of corrective lenses.
I thought it was very intuitive, easy to use. As opposed to looking at an eye chart where sometimes you're not sure which letter you see, the red and the green, pink and yellow, I was very sure about what I was doing. So I thought it was very easy to use.
I thought it was very convenient, and it gives you a quick snapshot of what your vision is.
What everybody wants to know is how accurate it was. Well, for me, it nailed the results straight away. I've always been long-sighted in this eye, a little more than the other, and it absolutely nailed that prescription.